Yo, what's up mga ka-runners? So today we are here at Hacienda again to join their Hacienda Elise Half Marathon 5K edition. So 5K lang sinalihan natin kasi hindi tayo praktisado ng 21K. So yun, try natin maka-podium this race para sana walang sumaling malakas. Pero yun lang, tara dito, let's go, kit-kits, sardaan, and run safe sa inyo palagi guys. Sobrang lamig. Yo, what's up? So we're here having some warm up. Napakalamig, 20 degrees lang dito sa silang. Kaya ewan ko na mamaya sa race, pero let's see. Let's go. Yo, what's up? Let's go, punta na tayo doon. Let's run 5K. Update ko later kung mag-placer tayo. Kung naka 5K PR pala tayo, 24-28. Sub 25 na naman. Kahit na maraming ahon, kinaya pa rin. So next time, sub 20 naman goal natin. Let's go! Yo, what's up guys? We finished 5K. So yeah, finish your medal. Let's go. So sa Wampalad, di tayo nakapag-podium. Top 3 lang na yung ginawa. Pang 5 ata ako. So hirap ng ruta guys. Nakapagod pero uphill. And then ang lamig pa. Tsaka masyadong mga pro usually. So ilang, I hope I encourage you once again to stay active, to be wealthy, to be healthy, and always run for your life for a better living. So run safe palagi guys. Peace. Happy fun run. Let's go.